Hello, I'm Joyce O'Shaughnessy. I'm a breast medical oncologist at Baylor University Medical Center, Texas Oncology in Dallas, Texas, as well as part of the Sarah Cannon Research Institute Clinical Trials Network. And I'd like to invite you to attend this year's School of Breast Oncology, a 3-day deep dive into all things breast cancer, all the data you need to take care of your patients, and importantly, very deep dives into case controversies. Every critical decision point we need to make for our patients is brought out with cases, panel discussions, as well as evening case discussions as well. So extremely clinically focused conference. This year it is November 7th through 9th. It's always at the Emory University Conference Center in Atlanta. It's a great program, and you'll get the free slides, and you'll get all the video lectures for use in perpetuity. So we really hope to see you there. It is a great conference.